It is. Okay. Nature walk part 2.
Sorry.
We are going down
You guys go.
a hill.
I can't.
We're going down a hill.
Bye, guys.
Where are you going? You're coming. You're coming. Woman. We got a guy with us and we'll be safe.
Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on, let's go.
Shut up, you're not recording me.
I am.
Are you?
Oh, I'm falling.
Thank God you're not recording me.
Oh, a rock. Be careful.
Yeah.
I think it's a rock. Oh, jeez.
When is it? Are we allowed back here?
I don't know, but I'm going back here.
Trail. Okay.
This is fun. Oh my gosh.
Why do they have like a cement block?
I don't know, but we were standing on it earlier. Oh, birds. There's a bird. Birdie. See if I can see it. Can't. Damn. We're just taking a walk, you know.
Can we go back now?
This is nature. You gotta appreciate it.
Oh, yeah, I appreciate nature when I was littler.
But this is nature. This is science class, guys. We're making our own science class. We're learning. Look, this is grass.
This is good.
This is trees. Beautiful trees.
It's all muddy back here, and I have to run past my Kyle.
Ooh, it is muddy. We're in a marsh, guys.
Can we go back now?
We really should.
Guys, my shoes are getting wet, and I need these.
We need to get back in the truck.
Is there like a path? Oh, there is a path. Ah, that's why we call it a nature trail.
Yeah, my pants are officially wet. I gotta get going.
Oh man.
Don't make it go.
Dude, I don't want to go anymore.
We're going back.
There's more woods.
Fuck that. I'm going back this way if you guys don't.
What's that building?
This goes right back to the college.
You sure?
Oh yeah, it looks like a college building.
Shut
I
up.
think that's part of it. I see a trailer. I think. I don't know. I think there's a trailer back there.
Fine, if I get raped, I'm blaming one of you.
We're not kidding. We're not gonna get raped. Oh my gosh. Oh, what is that?
It's not part of the college.
What is it? What is it? A garage? Where are we?
I want my Kyle. Now I'm on these shoes.
Woods.
Where are you going? I want to go back there.
Shut up.
There's like a fence. Ah! I stepped in mud. Oh shit! Oh my god! A stream. What is that? I don't know what that is. Oh, bricks! Somebody was in here. Oh! Oh, we gotta be careful. Oh, branch. Ah!
I got my high.
Be careful, there's mud up here. What is this? Where are we? Where are
Are
we?
you sure we're going back to the school?
I have no idea where we are.
Hey.
Hey, we're camping back here, guys.
Fuck that. I'm going home.
It's not my fault.
What is that blue thing? Let's drive it.
Shit, my legs are really hurting. Fuck, I'm in mud.
What the heck?
Hey, it's one of those things that you drive.
See that curve?
Huh?
That comes into the college? It just comes out right there.
There's like dumpsters.
Maybe that one then.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, he almost fell. Oh my god. What is this?
I'm calling Joe.
What? It says trail marker 71. Alright. We're at trail marker 71. Where are we? Oh, there's arrows on the tree. Oh my god. Do you believe in the New Jersey Devil?
Yes. Why?
Maybe he's back here.
Shut up. I'm calling Joe.
You're fine. Oh, stones. Are we at like some construction site? There's like a I swear. Where are we? Where are we?
Megan, take the phone. Tell where we're at.
Where are we? What do you mean?
Just take the phone, Jeff.
Oh, I can't take the phone.
Oh my God, we're on a hike.
He should have came with us. What the hell? What is this? It's like drums.
Where are we?
We're at the college.
I'm about to drop dead.
We're just at the different. We're at a different part of the college that we've never been.
It's Chris and Megan. Young girl.
My bright ideas.
Oh, we're near the child center.
Oh, let's go see the little kids.
No. I already had to take a
Scott
hike this
Hall.
way. Oh, we're near Scott Hall. Woohoo!
Sky Hall, baby.
Okay, who should I push over now?
There's the daycare.
What?
That's the daycare. Yeah.
Okay, where I went on a video.
Really?
You went on a field trip there?
That's pretty cool.
Riding and what are you doing?
Fats?
Fats.
Fats. Well,
Ooh, there's a police car over there.
And then we saw hot guys.
Ooh, hot guys. Oh, there. Oh wait, I thought that was them. No, the hot girl. More picnic tables. Hey.
I can't because I have no way home
I
now.
thought we were lost. Wow.
Yeah, I did, man, because I'm like blind. Leave me alone. No, I'm not. We're fine. I just got a headache. And my nose is burning.
Yeah, we could get run over here. Ah. We're at A lot. A lot. We're at A lot. Oh, we're heading towards Scott Hall.
No, now we're going to the radio station.
Yeah, that's where I got this.
There's a police officer. Oh,
15 minutes ago.
police officer. I'm taping them. I'm not gonna do that. There they are. There's the police officers.
Yes, we are.
They are. Oh my god. They're like marching or whatever. We should just walk up to them. Do it. No.
It's like a sidewalk thing.
And then it like turns. It's weird.
Guys, go back here. We never go back. What are you doing? Stop on the hill. Sure.
What do you think I'm trying to do? Kill you? I am.
Oh, this wind. It's windy out here. Oh my god.
These guys, they're everywhere. Guys, this place emergency things everywhere. What is this? What the put a little like circle thing? It's when we're on the road. Uh-oh.
There's a bus. What the? Oh my god, there's a bus driving on a sidewalk. That is something that you do not see every day. Oh my god. Where are we? Can we go in this way? We can't go in this way. We can? Alright, now this is officially the end of our nature walk part 2.